my beautiful people, welcome to UniekMakes by Cristina. Today we are doing day 10 of our 13 days of Craftoween by Spellbinders. And all I can say is I love this kit. I'm glad I was able to get my hands on it. So yeah, let me go ahead and show you what I created with day 10, and let me show you what day 10 dies are. Okay, this one is day 10. Love, love, love the florals and the two spiders. Beautiful artwork. And I could say 10 is actually one of my favorites also. Well, you know what? I really honestly say I do like them all. But this one is one of my favorites. Look at that. How cute is this flower? And I really love it. So let me show you this, and let me show you what I created. And then what I created was this flower. Love, love, love. This is so cute. So yeah, we are going to recreate this one here. And like I said, love it, love it, love it. And then let me show you the pieces here. Okay, for the pieces, you do have the big flower, which is this one here. Alright. The face, of course, is here. And it does emboss the little flower eyes, which shows you where the flower eyes go. So you have the actual flower, which is that, the eyes, and then the circles for the inside. And then you do have the bat wings for the leaves. And then this one here is the stem. This one here is to put the black underneath. But this one I wanted the pink. The other one would do the black. But this is what we're going to recreate. I didn't use a sentiment on here. Yeah, I didn't want one. I just left it like that. So let's go ahead and recreate this card. Okay, so here goes the little pieces. We'll create the flower first. Okay, so here goes your main flower head, and this is your skull. Well, it's not really a skull, but the bottom of the face of the flower. And then this part here is to put the black on the nose and the little smiley, the smile, the tongue twister. Yeah, so this is for this part here. So we'll go ahead and glue that first. So it's for the little cheeks and a smile. You don't have to use this piece. I didn't use it for that one, but for this one we will. Okay. And then once we have this done, see how it covers that up? We'll glue it to the flower. Okay, now the flower does have the shape and the emboss on it. You can't see it on this one because of the shininess, but it has a little dip for where the chin, so it tells you where to put it, which is right there. I'm going to keep that there so I can see it. And then it's going to get glued there, okay? So just look for the chin shape on yours, which mine is this over here. Mine is right there. Okay, you want to glue that down. Okay, next thing we'll do is get our little flower. And the flower, well, they're embossed also. So you can see where the flower is going to go. This way. Like I said, it is embossed. I'm going to fidget it in. Okay, so you have that one. And then we'll do the next one. That in place. Okay, so now once you have the eyes, those also are embossed for your circles. This one, 2, okay. So now we'll add the little stem. So the stem has a circle, and that's where you'll be putting the glue on. Okay, so we got that. Alright, so put this upside down, because for the bat wings have also a little line on where you this way, and where you stick it also. Okay. check it. Alright. So we'll do the next one. Look at that. A little cutie patootie. Alright, so now let's go ahead and put our card together quick. So for this one, I did cut a frame. And I got this die from AliExpress. So I did the background and I'm going to put the black over it. Okay, so let me do that first. And then we'll go ahead and drop this down. Okay, once you're happy, go ahead and push it down the glue. Okay, so now I'm going to paper piece this to my card. Go ahead and do that. Okay, once you're happy, drop it down. Now you got your nice vintage style card. Love it. So now we're going to just place our cutie patootie right in the middle. You could, this one I did put foam behind it. I guess I could do the same for that one. Or maybe I just do that one flat. Yeah, this one I'm going to do flat. So go ahead and glue this one. Okay. And down. Maybe I'll do the sentiment. Stay spooky. They want a sentiment. I like the dark, so I won't do the sentiment. But there goes our little card. Look at the cutie patootie. This is one of my favorites also. But yeah, that is the card. And look at that. So we did 2 different cards. The one I did prop up, this one I left. I didn't prop up at all. But yeah. Love, love, love. This is one of my favorite ones also. Yeah, so that is a little tutorial for you today. Make sure to like the video. Subscribe if you haven't, because I sure love to have you. And hit the notification so you do know when I upload new videos. And with that, you have a blessed day. Bye-bye.